So let me ask you a question. How do you feel when you're looking at your to-do list? I'll tell you how I feel. Most days, I feel really overwhelmed. So I write my to-do list by hand. And when I get to the bottom, it's this long list. And sure, there's some things on it I actually want to do. There's some things on it that I don't feel like doing. But just the length of it and the number of things can often make us feel like we can't handle it all. So today I want to share a really simple practice with you that's been hugely helpful to me in just helping me get through my to-dos with a little more lightness, a little more resilience. And I call it your to-do list meaning makeover. Now here's how it goes. It's really simple. The next time you are making your to-do list, or perhaps you already written it, so you look through your to-dos, pause to think, how does this one particular to-do, this task, help someone else? So let's say, for example, one of your to-dos is a project you're working on for your job, or a project you're working on at home. Pause to think, well, who does this help? Is it a colleague? Is it a customer? Is it your family? Or maybe your to-do is something as simple as get groceries, right? And after a long day at work, going to the grocery store may not be the thing you're looking forward to doing. But are you doing something with those groceries that helps other people? Are you cooking dinner to nurture your family or friends? So much of our happiness comes from knowing that we can help someone else. There's actually something that happens in our brains when we help someone else. We release a hormone called oxytocin. You've probably heard of it referred to as a hug hormone. So it feels really great to help others, but it can do something else. It can remind us that all these many to-dos that we are working through actually have a meaning within them that is greater than just that particular project, that by doing them, we're contributing to someone other than ourselves. And there's an increasing amount of research that shows not only does this make us feel a little bit better to have a sense of meaning, but it makes us feel a lot more productive. For example, people in the work context who know that their work positively impacts their colleagues or customers are actually more productive and creative in doing it. So the next time that you feel completely overwhelmed by your to-do list, which for many of us is often, take a few of the tasks on it and pause to consider, how does this one task help someone else? And I think what you'll discover is your to-do list will feel a little bit lighter, but you'll also be able to get through it with a little bit more resilience, because now you're aware not just of what you have to do, but why those things matter to you.